Hello everyone. Today is the first day in 2025 where sun has shone. Otherwise all the days were foggy. So I thought it's an amazing day to go out and it's my birthday too. Today we are going to actually very new and experimental place.
We are at Supreme Court metro station, going towards here. I do not know यहाँ पे इतनी भीड़ क्यों है. I think उसी के लिए.
So as you have heard it, I'm at Supreme Court metro station, but what am I here for? I'm here to visit Bharat Mandapam, which is one of the largest convention center of India. Bharat Mandapam has a hall which has capacity of 7,000 people, and even G20 summit was held here. The shape of the Bharat Mandapam building was inspired by Shankh, and the architecture is truly amazing. So I really wanted to come here. We have reached the venue, but currently we are in auto to reach the entry gate.
Guys, we are finally at Bharat Mandapam.
And I'm not in Bharat Mandapam for sake of being in Bharat Mandapam, but there is something very special today, which is, I do not know if I should reveal it now, but okay, let's not reveal it now. Let's keep it as a surprise, but you will know.
यहाँ पे I think we would only walk.
I would highly recommend you wear only sports shoes when you come here.
Let's go for checking. After checking, we are here, and this is so pretty. Exhibition hall 1, and these are the moving cars. हम इसको रुकवा सकते हैं और
Once you enter this place, it could be quite overwhelming because this place is very grand and you would be a little bit confused like where to go, which place to go, and every place seems very nice and everybody is going everywhere.
So that was the gate, and the sun is setting over here. It's pretty, like right now it's 5 p.m. Like 4:54 to be exact, and these are my parents, and this is the view. I love it more than Taj Mahal, to be honest, because it's not crowded at all, and the greeneries and fountains are very pretty, and the architecture is really amazing. It has cylindrical architecture, and I really love it.
One day we'll set away bell sounds to kiss our girl. When rainbow's over you kiss.
Look how majestic it looks. Yeah. Sundar look.
The hoodie that I'm wearing is from Being Human from previous vlog. If you have seen, it is gifted by my parents, so I'm wearing it today.
देखो, too much dedication. I learned the angles from her. Please follow Bhavna Srivastav, guys. Oh, there are stairs too. I do not know if we will reach anywhere from here because everybody is so mesmerized here.
No one needs to know. It's like a dream, I dream, Peter Pan for you, oh my, oh, la 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 la, bright moonlight, only one that I take from starlight, night, singing far into night, and it's gonna be a sleepless night. Someday soon I'm gonna tell the rainbow I'm in love. Ice cream cones, candy bars, no one else compares with you. Oh my, oh.
Papa Meadows. Yippee, peaceful. Look at the sun right now. How pretty. The birds.
Finally leaving that beautiful place to next spot.
Let's go.
The giant paintings on these giant walls are giving the royal palace vibes, and I get so fascinated by these architecture, painting, and how unique these buildings are. Because I have seen Bharat Mandapam and some story or photos, but I usually see people only.
अपने ही रंग में मुझको रंग दे सांझे सांझे रंग में मुझको रंग दे धीमे धीमे रंग में मुझको रंग दे रंग देना This is India. Oh my god, this looks like airport.
I don't know how some people come to these places and take their own pictures and go. Like, how they are not so excited and fascinated about something so new. Okay, I'm finally revealing what I'm here for. I'm here for Auto Expo show at Bharat Mandapam.
Now we are going inside one of the halls. Mobility reimagined. This hall is 11. These are the vehicles that. हाँ, ये लिखा है. That are going to be in hall something. This is hall 14 and we are at the EV section. You can see, and it's very crowded. Oh my god, but the vibes are really amazing. This place has centralized heater, and now I'm feeling hot because I overlaid myself, and this place is crowded as well, but it has I think they have very good room freshener.
If you have to pick and choose one car at Windsor Pavilion and take back with you, which is the first destination you'd like to visit? Yes, Sarah, tell me one reason why. You're going to Kashmir. Wonderful, yeah. Okay, I'll come back to you. So decided which car is an electric truck in the range exhibited? Yes, sir. A very good evening. Tell us. Which neighbor is coming your way? I think now I should come here. My next question.
That's a helicopter, I guess.
Okay, maybe you want to.
आईटी रेवोल्यूशन किया, ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन के लिए कौन से ग्रीन सिग्नल का वेट किया?
This place is heaven for somebody who loves cars. There are cars who are not even launched yet, and there are models who are very rare. So it's really difficult to show every hall. So I'm just showing you one because there are like 14 halls of every brand.
This place is very crowded.
The fact that they have other decorations as well, like this world map, and then there is sustainable development trio hanging over the roof, and some cars have models as well, but those places are always crowded, so it's hard to shoot there.
step away, bell sounds to kiss a girl. It's like a dream, I dream Peter Pan for you, oh my, oh oh, la 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 la.
We are at the 3rd floor and the sun has set and it's hazy right now, but you can see everything from here. So there's hall 5, 4, 3, 1, the ways. This is a Tire Expo, MRF. There is something. Oh, look at the architecture, like, come on. And this is a Tire Expo and it's on 3rd floor, so this does not have any rush or crowd, and I can clearly see myself, as well as I can clearly see the products. I really feel like I'm at airport or something right now.
Bright moonlight, silent night, you say goodnight. Hey, just like beautiful Wednesday, it's gonna be a hopeful day. Someday soon I'm gonna tell the rainbow I'm in love, oh my, oh oh.
This is not related to Expo but Bharat Mandapam, and this is the night view over here. Musical fountain.
म्यूजिक बहुत सॉफ्ट सॉफ्ट सा है।
चलो भाई आओ। हाँ मंटू, हाँ फोटो पे लगा लो।
Food stalls where even samosa was for 100 and burger is for 250 and 300, and I think I will go home now because my battery is also going down.
ताली बजाओ। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। कट करो कट। हैप्पी बर्थडे। किनो केक। हाँ। नहीं ये नहीं चॉकलेट।